Hello dear children, Sai Ram. Welcome back to Social Studies class. Let's continue chapter number 13, Local Government Agencies. Now children, before we go ahead, let's do a small recap just to recall or to remember what you have learned in previous class. Villages are looked after by the local government agencies called, yes children, think about the answer. Yes, your answer is Gram Panchayat. Very good. So, Gram Panchayat is the correct answer. Towns are looked after by the local government agencies called, yes children, the local government agencies are called that looks after the town, municipal council. Yes, did you get the answer? Very good. Big cities like Delhi are looked after by the local government agencies called, yes children, the local government agencies that looks after the big cities is named as municipal corporation. Yes children, you all have got the answer? Okay, very good. Now children, by now you all must be thorough with the answer, right? Head of the Gram Panchayat is called what? Yes children? Pradhan or Sarpanch. Did you get the answer? Very good. Your answer is right. Head of the municipal council is called as chairman or chairperson. I hope you all are thorough with the answer. Head of the municipal corporation, yes, mayor. Mayor is the head of the municipal corporation. Now children, let's learn the main functions of a municipal council. Okay? Or you can say the role of municipal council. Now it is the responsibility of the local government, that is municipal council and municipal corporation, to keep the town or city clean by organizing collection and disposal of waste. That means they should organize properly how to collect the waste, okay, where to collect the waste and where it has to be disposed. The wastes are disposed in the landfills, from where the wastes are recycled, and setting up public toilet. In public places, the local government should set up public toilets, okay, so that people can use public toilets and they will not spoil the public place. It is the major responsibility of the local government, that is municipal council and municipal corporation, to arrange for the supply of safe drinking water. The drinking water should be safe. It should be purified. Okay. Before consumption, it should be purified in a plant. This is the purification plant where the water gets purified. In every city, plant is there where the water gets purified first, and then the water is supplied all over, all across the town and all across the cities. So it is the duty of the local government to arrange for the supply of safe drinking water. Another important role of the local government agencies, that is municipal council and municipal corporation, is to maintain street lights and roads of the towns and cities. Okay, they should maintain the street lights and roads. See here, so nicely it is maintained, but here you can see the road is dark. Okay, darkness is there, so this is not the right way, right? So it is the duty of the government, local government, to maintain, to take care of the street lights, okay, and roads. Even the roads, if the roads are broken, if the potholes are there, if the roads are damaged, then what will happen? Yes, it may lead to accident, right? So it is the responsibility of the local government to see that the roads are proper, the roads are not broken, so that vehicles can run smoothly and the roads have lights. Okay. Another important function is to open and run primary health centers and hospitals. Now children, you can see in many small towns, big hospitals are not available, right? In many small towns, there are health centers and small hospitals. So it is the responsibility, or you can say it is the duty of the municipal council to construct primary health centers in the towns and small hospitals, okay, and hospitals. The next important role is to provide free and compulsory education. Compulsory education means everybody, all the children should get education. Not a single child should be left without education. Compulsory education for children up to 14 years of age. They need not have to pay any fee. You must have heard about municipal school, right? Municipal schools are run by municipal government, that is municipal council and municipal corporation. So they provide free and compulsory education for children up to 14 years of age. Up to 14 years of age. You have to remember this. Another important role or function of the local government, that is municipal council, is to construct and maintain roads and parks. You can see in this picture, yes, they are constructing road. Okay, this road is Kacha road and they are converting the road into Pakka road. So it is the responsibility of the municipal council to see that, to ensure that everywhere road facility is there, so that vehicles can move. And the second thing is that they should build parks for the children, so that children can play safely. Otherwise, what happens? Many children, they play on the road, which is unsafe, right? So, for the safety of the children, it is the responsibility of the local government, such as municipal council or municipal corporation, to build parks for the children. Another important function is to organize literacy programs for adults. Literacy programs means the programs arranged by the government to enable the adults to read and write. Adults means people who are more than 18 years of age and they are not able to read and write. They are illiterate. So it is the duty of the local government to provide them programs to literate them, to help them to read and write, to make them learn how to read and write. And the government has also opened many night schools wherein people can go and acquire knowledge. People can go and learn to read and write. Now let's revise the functions of municipal councils. First one, to keep the towns or city clean by organizing dash and dash of waste. Yes, dash and dash. Collection, yes, collection of waste. And after collecting the waste, what they have to do? They have to dispose it, right? Disposal of waste. They have to dispose in a proper place. And setting up public toilets. Number 2, to arrange for the supply of safe drinking water. What kind of water? Safe drinking water. Water should go under purification before supplying, right? So that people can get safe drinking water. Number 3, to maintain street lights and roads. Number 4, to open and run primary health centers and hospitals. Number 5, you have to remember all the points, children. Number 5, to provide free and compulsory what? Education. Free and compulsory education for children up to 14 years of age. Up to 14 years of age, each and every child of our country should get education, free education. To construct and maintain roads and parks. To organize literacy programs for adults. Followed, you have to remember all the 7 points. Now children, let us do one small activity. With the help of this activity, you will be able to understand the lesson more clearly. How can the municipal office or Gram Panchayat help in each of these cases? Okay? Now I will give you some cases. You just have to think that how municipal office or Gram Panchayat can help, can handle such cases. Number 1, the road is dark. You just have to think the road is dark at night and people are afraid of being attacked by thieves. Now in such case, how the government, how the local government is going to handle, what they are going to do, what help they are going to give. Yes, children, just think what they are supposed to do. Yes, are you ready with the answer? Just check the answer, whether your answer is matching with this answer or not. Maintain street lights. See, what they have to do? They have to maintain street lights. In this case, they have not maintained the street light. It is dark. In some places, it is totally dark, where the people are afraid of being attacked by the thieves. So they are afraid, right? They don't want to go out. Now read the second case, children. In the second case, the children of the neighborhood play on the street as they have no place to play. Yes, these children are playing on the road. They are playing on the street. Why are they playing on the street? Because They have no place to play. So what is the role of the government? What the government should do? Yes, children? Think what they should do? They should construct parks. They should construct parks for the children so that they can safely play in the park. Because playing on the road is unsafe, right? It is dangerous. It can lead to accident. So it is the duty, it is the responsibility of the local government, municipal council or municipal corporation to construct, to build parks for the children. Children parks should be there. Now, the women have to walk a long way to fetch drinking water. Yes, children? Just think, the women have to walk a long way to fetch drinking water. So many women, what are they doing? They are walking long way to fetch drinking water. It is so hard, right? So what is the role of the government? How the government can help? What they should do? What the local government should do? Yes? They should provide water by constructing wells and pipes. Followed, they should provide water by constructing wells and pipes. This way they can help the women. Now, read the question, children. The cattle have fallen sick after drinking the dirty water from the stream. This type of case happens where? In the village, right? So, the Gram Panchayat have to help, right? They have to take the decision. They have the responsibility for the cattle, to look after the cattle. They should not fall sick. So what Gram Panchayat should do? Yes, children? Should clean up the stream. Okay? The Gram Panchayat should clean up the stream by using various medicines, and so many things are there by which they can clean up the stream. Now read this case. There have been too many accidents at the crossroads. You can see a big city, crossroads, right? This type of case, too many accidents happen where? In the big cities, right? So what is the role of the municipal corporation? Yes? How they can tackle, how they can handle such situation? What they are supposed to do? Yes, children? Think about it. They have to maintain traffic lights at the crossroads. Okay, they have to maintain traffic lights at the crossroad to avoid too many accidents. So children, we have come to the end of this session. In the next class, we will continue. So thank you, children. Be safe, be healthy. Meet you in the next class.